the weather's finally starting to kick, hopefully. Well, here in Chicago, who knows? We have an 80-degree day today. Tomorrow could be 50, rainy, windy, snow, who knows? But it looks like the horizon, we're finally starting to see some new weather, some nice weather. And with that, the season is upon us. The spring season, the summer season, but wedding season. My name is Dr. John Joyce with Joyce Family Chiropractic and Wellness, where we get you moving through life so you can do the things that you desire, even if you thought you'd never be able to do it again. And with weddings coming up, people are starting to try and get in shape. Now you've got a little time, you've got a few months. If you've got a few months and you need to lose 5, 10 more pounds to fit in that dress or fit in the dress that you want to fit in, then I would recommend you start with our Healthy Transformation Program. This is our weight loss program. I personally lost 20 pounds in 1 month. It's very user-friendly. The meals are phenomenal because you make them yourself. You get most of this from the store, and the recipes are unbelievable. If you're on a shortened time frame, I would suggest you combo. You can do the Healthy Transformation for a month or even a couple of weeks if that's all you have, but I would really recommend at least a month or more on that, and combine it with our Zerona, where we have more than one patient right now who is well on their way to losing over 3 inches off of their belly in less than 2 weeks. So the combination of the two would be a phenomenal tag team for anybody with a wedding coming up. Now, if you're on a short time and you only have a couple of weeks and you need to fit into something, this is for you. The Zerona by itself will be good for 2, 3, 4, we've seen as much as 6 inches off of somebody's belly in a matter of weeks. So if you're on a short time and you need to fit in that dress, or you need to go to your destination wedding in someplace tropical, warm, and a lot nicer than it is right now, this is the one for you. This will get you ready so you can go and get married, and you can look, and those pictures will look phenomenal, and you'll feel phenomenal, and you'll have a blast. Not that you wouldn't have a blast anyways, but this is what you want to do. So my name's Dr. John Joyce. We have the tools to help you get ready for your wedding. All you have to do is ask. I'll help you take your body back. What you decide to do with it is entirely up to you. I look forward to seeing you in my office.